السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أم، هل قضيت إجازة سعيدة؟ Did you did you spend a happy holiday? هل did you قضيت did you spend قضى يقضي means spending. Did you spend إجازة سعيدة a happy holiday. سعيدة means happy. إجازة means holiday. حوار, it's a conversation. حوار means conversation. It's a conversation. الراوي, uh, the person is saying في الاستراحة during break time. في الاستراحة here break time. In the school the students get break time to be relaxed or to eat something as a tiffin. So في الاستراحة means during break time. صباح السبت, on Saturday. استمعت التلاميذات استمعت التلميذات. All the girl students, female students got together, came together حول معلمتهن, around their around their teacher. معلمة means teacher, هن means their means female, all the female students teacher. حول means around, تلميذات means students, female students. استمعت means got together, came together. سبت means Saturday. صباح means morning. So on the morning of Saturday, during break time, استمعت تلميذات, all the students got together around their teacher. Who's the teacher? الأستاذة فاطمة. أستاذة فاطمة. Okay, this is the teacher. في الفناء, where they got together. Where's the place? The place is فناء, schoolyard. Okay, schoolyard. There is a little open space in front of school. That's called فناء. Okay, yard. YARD, yard. يتحدثن, they talk معها, with her. في سعادة, happily. They talk she they talk with her في سعادة, with happily. وهي, and she تكلمهن, and she also talking to them. كلم يكلم means talking. هن means with them. تحدث يتحدث means also talking. معها, with her. في سعادة, happily. المعلمة, the teacher is saying كيف قضيت يوم أمس يا سميرة. She is asking to a particular student named Samira. كيف قضيت, how did you spend yesterday. يوم أمس means yesterday. يا سميرة, يا سميرة, how did you spend your day. Samira is replying قرأت قصة مسلية. I read قصة, story, a story. What was the story? How was the story? مسلية, very amazing. Okay, entertaining, amazing story. Okay, incredible story. I read an amazing story and about. What is the meaning of عن means about القائد Khalid bin Walid. About Khalid bin Walid. Uh, the storybook was about Khalid bin Walid. Then Al-Muallima is saying, وأنتِ يا فضيلة. She's asking to another girl named Fadila. And Auntie, you, how did you spend your Fadila? How did you spend your day? How did you spend your holiday, ya Fadila? Fadila is replying, قمت مع أهلي بزيارة عائلية. I was on a family trip. قمت مع أهلي. That means I was. Okay, I was having something like that. I was having مع أهلي, with my family. مع means with. أهلي means my family. بزيارة عائلية. زيارة means visiting or trip. عائلية means related to family. So I was on a family trip with my family. Okay, قمت مع here, I was having, or I was on a trip with my family members, like that. Then we can see that then she's asking to another girl. She's asking to another girl. Her name is Zainab. ماذا فعلت يا زينب? And what did you do يا زينب? فعلت means what did you do? Okay. ماذا فعلت? Zainab is replying كتبت. I wrote. عدة means several. A few. رسائل, letters. I wrote a few letters. كتب يكتب. كتبت means I wrote. عدة means several. رسائل means letters. عدة means several, a few. Okay, I wrote few letters. لي for. لي means for. صديقاتي for my friends. Where? في السعودية, in Saudi Arabia and Egypt. مصر means Egypt. I wrote some letters to my friends from Saudi Arabia and Egypt. Okay, صديقات means friends, my friends. صديقاتي, it's plural for جمع. The واحد is صديقة. Okay, قاتي, صديقاتي means many friends, female friends. المعلمة is again asking to Shada. She's also a girl. وأنت يا Shada, and what did you do, Shada? How did you spend your day? Shada is replying ساعدت, I helped. ساعد يساعد من باب المفاعلة. ساعدت, I helped أمي, my mom. في, in, where she helped in إعداد, preparing. What preparing? وليمة كبيرة, a big feast. وليمة means a dish, a big fish, a big feast or dish. Okay, someone is coming maybe to their family members. So that's why. Shaza Saad, she said that I helped my mom في إعداد وليمة, to prepare a big feast. وليمة كبيرة means big feast. لأصدقائي, for the friends. أصدقاء means friends. Whose friends? والدي, my father's friends. Okay, my father's friends are coming to my home. That's why I helped my mother to prepare a big meal for them. Big meal. You can also say meal, feast. Okay, كبيرة, big feast. Aisha is saying, وأنت يا أستاذة فاطمة, and what about you, أستاذة فاطمة? How did you spend your day? هل قضيت إجازة سعيدة? You also spent a happy holiday? Yeah, قضيت إجازة سعيدة. Yeah. معلمة is saying نعم, yes. صححت, that means I corrected, I checked, corrected 90 دفترا, 90 copies. I checked 90 copies. Okay, copies of the students. صححت, I checked 90 copies. وأعددت, and I prepared. أعددت دروس الأسبوع. I prepared lessons for the next week. الأسبوع المقبل means next week. صححت, صحح يصحح من باب التفعيل. 90 means 90, دفتر means copy, and وأعددت means I prepared. دروس lessons. What lessons? Lessons for الأسبوع, week. What week? الأسبوع المقبل, next week. Okay, coming week. I prepared lessons for the coming or next week. Aisha is saying يا لها من إجازة. What a surprising إجازة is this? What a surprising what a surprising holiday is it? Okay, they became surprised to know that this is how their Ustada Fatima spent their day. Okay, they were thinking that maybe she also did some thing fun like them, but she worked even in the holiday. That's it. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.